So why would I use a hard pencil? Well, a hard pencil has the benefit of being great for being fine and precise, and really good if you're doing precise work. So if you were doing fine, precise lines on a drawing, say you were doing some mandalas or some geometry type work, you wanted really precise lines, that's great for this. It's also great for laying down foundations, and you'll notice that with a hard pencil it doesn't smudge as much, whereas if I choose myself one of these soft pencils and do the same, it's going to smudge. You can't see so easy on the video, but if I do a big blob of it, it's going to smudge, whereas a big blob of a hard, it just doesn't smudge as much. So if I start a sketch that I know I'm going to be building up layers and layers of graphite, starting with a hard pencil is great because I've then got somewhere to go. After doing my foundation lines, I can then start to work over the top. If I do my foundation lines in a really dark, strong pencil, I've got nowhere to go. I can't reduce back down. I can't layer anything up because I've already gone to the blackest possible line from day one. So a hard pencil is great for crisp, sharp, fine, light lines, technical drawings, and for creating foundation lines if you're working on a much longer, more detailed sketch. And then of course, working onto the blackest, softest, this is what is going to give you these beautiful, rich, dark tones within a particular sketch. So you can see I can work this over my foundation lines. My foundation lines have almost disappeared, but I've had somewhere to go. I can work on it and I can blend, I can blend. So pencil is hugely, hugely versatile.